Hello, I'm JD and this is Bionca, and we are in Jacksonville, Florida, Duval County. Look, we just want to let you all know that we've been owners of our rolling video game truck for approximately 6 months and all the excellent benefits of being an owner of this game truck.
All right, so first of all, it's a turnkey operation. When you pick up your game trailer, it's ready to go. The only thing you have to purchase is games, and that's quite easy. Second thing is your reservations and your marketing is all included, so you don't have to worry about going out and spending extra money on any of that.
So if you're looking at getting into a business that you run your own schedule, run your own show, be your own boss, and see nothing but smiles on both kids and adults' faces at every event that you're a part of, strongly consider looking into rolling video games and be a part of the team. All right?
It's a great gig, guys.